You know, guys, here's our babies. It's they're 7 weeks and 1 day old. They'll soon be going to new homes. Yeah, we got a little ornery one. I think the one brown one next just jumped on the white female. We're keeping her. Wife named her Peanut. She's as ornery as all get out. Oh, they're pretty special. Been around them every day since they've been born. Even helped deliver a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them. Kind of funny. They're fucking mean little fuckers. For being Pekingese puppies, they're pretty ornery. Zaz, get over here. Sassy, come on. Come on. I got on the candy bar. Actually, like a granola bar. Oh. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Zaz, come on. Sassy. This is good. Sassy, come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Granola bar. See. Oops. Zaz. Zaz. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Fucker's hard as a fuck, man. But anyway, guys, I thought I'd share this with you. This will probably be the last video of our pups. No, on YouTube anyway. So, hope you all enjoy. I know we sure have. So, only little fuckers, God. Look at them just bouncing and playing and bouncing and playing and going at it. Kind of joyful just sitting out here watching them play and have a good time. Now, I'm going to cut this. I ain't going to drag this on, so hope you guys enjoy it. And, well, talk to you later. Hopefully we'll do another video of the car tomorrow, so tomorrow afternoon sometime. So, alright, check back later. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.